Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe it, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon if you want to see my videos in further, and also you can like and share. So guys, today's video is the most requested video and so many of you are asking me to create the black smoky eyes tutorial for you, and it will be a step-by-step tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be giving you the different color combinations which you can actually use to create different kinds of smoky eyes. So sit back, relax and watch my video. I have already prepped my face. I have applied the moisturizer and the Laneige lip balm, my all-time favorite, and now I'm going to start with concealing my face. I'm using the Makeup Studio concealer in the shade dark yellow. This is my most favorite concealer. Covering my under eye first. As you can see, like, I'm using a very small brush just to, focus on the main spots where it is actually required. After concealing, now I'm using the foundation from Benefit, and it's Hello Happy foundation in the shade 04. It's time for blending my foundation, and I want to tell you something about this foundation, and that is this foundation is extremely lightweighted. This is Hello Happy foundation from Benefit and I am really loving it. Like, I have used lots of foundations, but this is the one which I actually don't feel like as if I have applied anything on my face. And secondly, you don't actually need to bake your face, because I have used this foundation in Dubai and it was extreme summers like in July last year, and I swear by my words guys, like, I haven't baked my face and this foundation worked so well. I just loved it. Time to bake my foundation, but I'm skipping it today because of the Hello Happy foundation. Now I will directly be moving on to the eye makeup, that is creating the black smoky eyes. So for black smoky eyes, I'll be first taking the base of my eye makeup, that will be brown, and I'll blend it in the outer corner of my eyes as I do always. You can always change the color of your base. You can make it pink, you can make it yellow, orange, whatever color you want, depending on your dress color or depending on the occasion. So I'm going to start up with a brown shade. I'm using my Anastasia palette and I'm going to use the shade Parallel, and I'll blend it in the outer corner of my eyes. As I said, you can take any color to blend. You can take pink, yellow, orange, purple, whatever you like. You can always play with colors. So I'll do the same for the other eye. Round, round, one, round, two, round, three. This is the way you should blend. Round, one, round, two, round, three. So now I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and in this palette I'm going to take the shade Henna and blend it in the outer corner of my eyes. Whenever you are doing the smoky eye look, it totally depends on you how deep you want to keep your base. For example, I have used two shades and I blended it in the outer corner of my eye. If I want, I can use one more darker shade to blend it, and I will be doing that. I'll be using the shade Bossy and I'm going to blend it again in the outer corner of my eyes. So let's move ahead with the black color application on my eyelid. That is most important. So guys, for the application of the black shadow, I'm not going to use any of my shadow palettes. I am going to use this. Now this is a cake liner and you just have to spray water and use it, and it works really well. Whenever you are applying any dark color on your eyelid, you have to be very patient and slow, because if the eyelid is very small and if you will go very fast over it, you might end up, applying the shadow on those parts where, it was not actually required. So you have to keep a lot of patience while creating the smoky eye. And secondly, you can always replace this black color with any color, green, blue, whatever color you like. I'm doing the same thing for the other eye. Now the most important thing that has to be done is blending it, okay? Just application is not enough. You need to blend the black and the brown shade which you have applied it on your brow bone or on the outer corner of your eye to create that smoky look. So I'm going back again to my Anastasia palette and I'm going to use the shade Parallel again, and I'm going to blend it out. Make sure whenever you are blending, you are just blending on the crease. You are not going on the lid. If you can see it closely, I am just blending on the crease. I am not going on the lid. Otherwise, you will end up losing all the black from your, lid. I have taken a little bit of black and blending it in just the edges. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I'm going to use the shade Angelic to fill up my brow bone. Guys, for the brow bone, you can use any shade you want, golden if you want, according to your dress. You can always customize, okay? I'm using the same shade in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I am using the white KAJAL pencil from NYX to furthermore, look my eyes bigger, because since I have done black all over, so it's very important to maintain the balance in your face and features. For my brows, I'm using the Benefit Tint again to just brush my brows as I do always. It's very important to brush your brows. So one of the most important things which I'm going to do right now to just glamorize this black smoky eyes. If you want, you can leave it like this, but if you want to glamorize a little bit, you can add little bit of glitter. That can be golden, that can be silver, that can be pink, whatever you like. I'm using the PAC Diamond Powder in the shade 2 Moondust. So guys, what I have done is I have taken the PAC glitter in my hand and I have taken a flat brush. I've taken a little bit and just dabbed it all over my eyelid, just on my eyelid, nowhere else. So guys, I am done with my eyes and now I have to move on with contouring. And today I'm going to keep my contouring a little bolder because the lips will be on the nude side and eyes are too bold. So it's very important to give a proper definition to your face. So again, I'm using my most favorite Nykaa contour stick. For blush, I'm using the Sivanna's blush in the shade 08 and it's little orangish, looks like this. I'm going to blend it out, don't worry. So guys, if anything like this happens with you, the best thing, take your beauty blender and just blend the excess away. It will go. Can you see it has lightened down? So these are the small tips and tricks I'm telling you. If you want, you can just note them down. It will help you in future if you are a beginner, if you are planning to be a makeup artist. Now moving on to the highlighter, and I'm going to use my most favorite highlighter from Makeup Studio, as I always do. And today I will be doing double highlighting, and what is that? You'll come to know soon. I have already highlighted my face with my most favorite highlighter from Makeup Studio. Now I was about to tell you what is double highlighting. Double highlighting is highlighting once again with the powdered highlighter. So today I will be using the highlighter from Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter, and this is in the shade Peach Light. And I am going to just take it and just dab it over it. So what will happen, because that was a liquid highlighter and that is obviously a little bit sticky, so whenever you are applying the powdered highlighter over the liquid one, it won't look powdery, it merges into your skin along with that liquid highlighter. So that is called double highlighting. Okay guys, so I'm done with almost everything, just the lips are left. Starting up with this lip pencil from Nykaa, Lips Don't Lie, in the shade Chocolate Boy. I'm going to do the outline of my lips. That is very important to give shape and definition to your lips. I'm using this lip crayon from Pro Art, and it's in the shade Rustic Romance. It's a really nice shade, as you can see. I'm really loving it. So now I'll be using this lip gloss Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream from Matte Me, and it's in the shade N418. Let's try this. You know, I love experimenting with lipsticks. I don't know why. I want to make it a little lighter, so for that I'm using my lip palette from KRYOLAN, and I'm using the shade number 1 from this. It will actually just lighten it up. That's it. So guys, this is the shade which came out, and I'm totally loving this shade. I don't want to do anything else.